than 73 receiving yards.
That Cleveland defense, they play Cleveland. Cleveland's defense is pretty good.
On the Joe side of those picks, JT, anything he wants to do.
So this is not necessarily a good thing, but my car has always been a direct reflection of where my life is at. If you ask my pops or my brothers, they'll tell you I'm the worst when it comes to car like maintenance, just keeping the car up. So prior to getting this car, long story short, I ended up having my vehicle repossessed. And at the time, it was really a blessing in disguise because when I tell you I was riding dirty, I mean, I'm ashamed of it now, but at the time, I was just doing what I needed to do, to get by.